like in my bag. You ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever safe. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. You sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now, I told her so.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up. Alright, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TJ. I'm back again with a brand new video for you guys. So I'm just now pulling up to this car meet out here in Raleigh. It's a nice, quiet amount of cars out here. So I'm gonna show you guys what's out here right now. Whoa. Hey TJ, where's the market at? Over.
Damn, there you go, famous ass TJ. Hey, bro, this nigga famous than the motherfucker, dog. I know everybody. Yeah. Famous ass TJ, you know. That's a YouTube name.
Alright. You probably record already, right?
Yeah, I record, but I ain't say Fool Lonzo. They can't the black roof, but I'm sweating, I'm hot. But we're going to the top. Subscribe to the channel, baby. The whole crew eat.
Hey, he parked slanted. Got these mopars lined up right here. Got the Hellcat right there. We got Chris NYC. Got this wide body scat right here. All these mopars. Yeah. They got them boys. Hey, look at this challenge right here. Look at his windshield. You see how dark it is?
You can't see shit. But the thing is,
hey, he pulling up. Yeah, you can see how you can. Look at that dog.
That is gold.
Look at that dog. He wants you, man. Look at that. It got a cam in it too, man.
I knew it had something. It sounds too good. Look like old boy that's saying that. I said it to him. He said, that's fucked up, bro. Mike, why he like 45? I thought it was him at first, bro.
Oh, who you talking about? Who you talking about? The dude right there.
Oh my God. 49.
Bro, he laugh funny. That dude laugh funny.
Mike, you gonna book it?
He's straight that. He just bought it. He ain't used to it yet.
I need that nigga tires on. Got out and ran. Oh shit.
Mustang. Oh, look at this route right here. The Galaxy route. You hear what they listen to? Yes, sir.
Where's your group? Yeah. Hey, where the weed at? Where's that? Look for the same weed at. Look for the same shit. Yes, I ain't lose my grill. Yes. Don't put that hoe in my room, nigga, in my fucking jury box.
hit that thing, man. This one nice.
Look at that black.
About to get hit. I almost thought it was Fat Boy TV right here. He on 85?
Alpha, ask me that bitch,
Or the truck dragging. I mean, y'all better crash. What y'all doing? Bro, he almost lost it. Man, it's like... There go 12. I know he smelled it.
We just made one. Oh, okay. That's you right here? With the lights.
Flashlight.
We gotta get our stickers for the window. We literally she just started like this week.
Yeah.
We're gonna already murdered out halfway. This light.
Yeah, you got the black top like that.
Well, it's gonna look different in a couple weeks.
Yeah,
Can you not record me?
You better move your car.
The smoke's still coming.
Oh, he coming. Hey, they coming in hot. Oh, he coming too. Oh, look, another one coming. Oh, he should have. Did he move his car? Yeah, he did, because I don't see it no more.
No, it's the blue.
Nah, I thought it was the gray one.
He parked. Look, he's looking at them like, was that you? Oh, truck going over there now. I'm playing tonight.
Bro, dude did a, oh, they did, yeah, the blue one did do it. Man, this car, I think this blue car did the burnout and he done got out the car. Hey, that's crazy. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. If y'all do enjoy, make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notification. Let's keep growing. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm out, man.